Welcome back to Spy Garage. The 2026 Ford F-550 Armored Motorhome is a combination of cutting-edge protection systems, opulent leisure living areas, and heavy-duty commercial vehicle characteristics. This car is intended to serve a niche clientele that values independence, security, and the capacity to go to far-flung or possibly dangerous areas. The Ford F-550 Super Duty chassis, which is well known for its durability and large payload capacity, serves as the chassis's foundation. Next, this platform is improved with ballistic protection. The vehicle is protected from a variety of ballistic threats by its exterior, which is covered with cutting-edge armor materials. This features strengthened undercarriage protection, bulletproof glass, and reinforced body panels. Reinforced suspension. The suspension system has been greatly improved to support the additional weight of the armoring, guaranteeing handling and stability even in difficult terrain. Run-flat tires improve safety and security by allowing for continuous movement even in the case of a tire puncture. A high-output diesel engine powers the 2026 Ford F-550 Armored Motorhome, giving it the torque and horsepower it needs to move forward. Among the primary performance criteria are high torque engine. The vehicle can handle rugged terrain and steep inclines because to the engine's tuning, which produces maximum torque at low RPMs. Advanced four-wheel drive. Optimal traction is guaranteed in all circumstances thanks to an advanced four-wheel drive system with locking differentials. Heavy-duty brakes. For a car this size and weight, upgraded brakes offer dependable stopping power, amenities and interior design. The 2026 Ford F-550 Armored Motorhome has a luxurious and comfortable interior despite its tough exterior. Important characteristics include luxurious living area, high-end appliances, hardwood cabinets, leather upholstery, and other premium materials are used throughout the inside. Modern technology. The car is outfitted with cutting-edge technology, such as satellite communication, sophisticated navigation, and extensive security measures. Self-sufficiency. Long-term off-grid living is made possible by features like solar panels, a big water tank, and a high-capacity generator. People with a high net worth are those who need a high degree of security and independence when traveling. Professionals in security, companies that need to transfer people and equipment safely. Teams that go on trips in isolated or dangerous locations are known as exploration and research teams. Crucial information. Depending on the manufacturer and degree of customization, the 2026 Ford F-550 Armored Motorhome's precise features and specs may change. This car is very specialized and will cost a very large amount of money. Fuel consumption will be extremely high because of the armor and weight. A really remarkable vehicle, the 2026 Ford F-550 Armored Motorhome offers a distinctive combination of luxury, off-road performance, and security.